Hello! This time we're going to do unboxing of Xiaomi Deerma DEM-CS10M mini dehumidifier. It's a mini dehumidifier device which works with silica gel but can be reused. It is available on AliExpress for around $20. And the principle that it works is that silica gel collects moisture, and then when it collects all the moisture, then you just plug it in and it turns on heating, and the silica gel can then be reused. With it you get European, American, or whichever adapter you want. And this is it, pretty neatly packed. So let's see what it looks like inside. Let's open the box. Okay, so here it is. You get a brochure in Chinese, and there also should be a power cable, which is here. This is, I believe, American type plug. You have to use the adapter if you're in Europe, like this. And here it is. When you turn it around, you can see there's something inside. It's making noises. So it's basically a passive device, which you just put wherever you want to dehumidify. And once we unpack it, you'll see that on this side there is a window, and if the color is orange, that means that it's dry. When the color changes to dark, then it means that you need to plug it in into the electricity, and it takes like 6 hours to to dry the silica gel which is inside. So it's pretty nice design. It has all Xiaomi things. And I can make a review after a couple of weeks of usage just to tell you how it works. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time.